Finding serious buyers online can feel overwhelming. You list your products and run promotions, but the real challenge is connecting with buyers who are actually ready to purchase. The key isn't just waiting for inquiries, but proactively identifying buyer intent. A practical way is actively checking buyer requests, not just relying on product listings. Tradewheel.com's buyer RFQ section has active requests from buyers with clear purchasing intent. Once inside, filter smartly to find the best opportunities for your business. Narrow results by country, MOQ, and product category to only see relevant inquiries. This saves time and increases your chances of quality engagement, ensuring you connect with the right buyers. Now for the most important part, buyer verification. When reviewing an RFQ, always check for verified contact details. This adds credibility and saves you from low-quality leads. After selecting an RFQ, craft a professional response. Briefly introduce your company, confirm you can meet the MOQ, and provide specs and pricing. A structured response builds trust. Tradewheel's matchmaking support connects sellers with high-intent buyers based on product alignment, helping you scale and reach targeted prospects. Also, be consistent. Reply to at least 10 relevant RFQs daily to increase your visibility and lead flow. Generating quality leads isn't just about being present, it's about using the platform's tools strategically. So, if you're a seller looking to connect with verified buyers, explore the RFQ section and apply these steps. Quality leads are already there.